Residents of St. Mary can now breathe a sigh of relief with a dedicated doctor's office geared towards reducing wait time. The new facility was opened at the Aracabessa Health Center. Member of Parliament for St. Mary Western Robert Montague says a similar project is to come for the people of Mason Hall. Courtney Lewis has more.
A 250% increase. That's the total number of patients who have been visiting the Aracabessa doctor's office since its installment at the health centre in June. Member of Parliament for Western St. Mary Robert Montague was at the handing over. He shared that the project, sponsored by the Tourism Enhancement Fund and the Constituency Development Fund, costs approximately $2 million. Recently, there's been a significant rise in demand for medical services in the Aracabessa area that MP Montague says has now been addressed. He also announced that a doctor's office will be opened at the Mason Hall Health Centre.
We were in Mason Hall a short while ago because we did some work at the Mason Hall Clinic as well. We repaired the roof because it was leaking. We did some painting, and we also gave some furnishings to Mason Hall. And we are looking, the next project for Mason Hall is to look at a room that Mr. Edmonds has already looked at, and the material that left off for the first work, we tell him he must go get some more material and put on that and tile out a room because we want a doctor's office in Mason Hall.
Medical Officer of Health for St. Mary, Dr. Tamara Henry, shared that the time spent at the offices by doctors will be increased to effectively meet the community's healthcare needs.
Team, community members, how many days do you think we're here for now?
Every day. Not
every day. You see, that's a good place to be, but we're not there yet. Remember, we have 20 working days in the month. We have moved from 5 to how many days? 11 days.
Wow.
And so we are so happy to be able to offer service to the people that we know need it the most.
And while this extension is necessary, Montague says his team is looking to expand Aracabessa's health centre and have a doctor present daily.
So we are still aiming to get a doctor here every day of the week. Because Aracabessa is a growing town, and Aracabessa Clinic does not only serve the town of Aracabessa, but Stewarttown, Mango Valley, Huddersfield, Boscobel, Racecourse, Galena. So it serves a wide area, and that is why we want a doctor in the house. And that will also mean that we are going to have to expand the clinic a little bit more. That means a new clinic. And that is what I am looking towards.
In the meantime, the MP continues to encourage residents to make use of the resources currently being made available to them. Courtney Lewis for CVM News.